Hello dear viewers. In today's video is all about cleaning the drain pump. Gently open up the drain pump door/cover. Put a rug underneath to trap the water. Open the knob inside in an anti-clockwise motion. Use a toothbrush, soap and water to clean the knob. Put soap on the toothbrush to scrub the drain pump. A toothbrush is a very useful tool to clean a drain pump because it reaches well in hidden corners/edges. Splash water into the drain pump to bring out the dirt. It's now perfectly clean. Tightly close the knob in a clockwise motion. Clean your drain pipe every month to avoid clog and bad odor.